In today's tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to clear your Google search history. If you're new here, please subscribe and leave a thumbs up if this video helps you out. Make sure to watch till the end to follow every step correctly. Let's get started. This guide is focused on clearing your search history on a mobile device, but the steps work the same on other devices, such as desktops or Androids. For simplicity, I'll be using my phone. First, open the Google app on your device. In the top right corner, tap your profile icon. This will give you the option to manage your Google account. Tap on it and you'll be directed to a page with several options. From here, look for the Data and Privacy section and tap on it. It will take a moment to load. Scroll down to find the things you've done and places you've been section. Under that section, you'll see an option for history settings. Tap on it and then choose Web and App Activity. You'll now be on a screen with your activity settings. If you want to prevent Google from saving future search history, you can toggle this setting off. For now, we'll continue to manage and clear your past searches. Scroll further down and find the Manage Web and App Activity option. Tap on Manage All Web and App Activity, and you'll see your full search history. You can filter your history by date and time if you want to clear a specific range of your search history. Tap Filter by date and time, choose the range you wish to clear, and click Apply. After a moment, you'll see the search history from that time period. Now tap Delete. A confirmation will appear showing you the items that will be deleted. To confirm, tap Delete again. Once done, tap Done or Got It, and your search history will be successfully erased. That's all for today. You've now successfully cleared your Google search history. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.